Anurag Saxena, can you tell our viewers why exactly you went to court?
We went to the court primarily to make sure that the NGT order is flawed in its basic essence. The basic issue was in 2014, which was that all cars which were of Bharat Stage 1 and Bharat Stage 2 should be banned. We agree to that. But today, as Nikunj sir was saying, that today the vehicles which are having the same band of pollution norms are being targeted. The cars which have the same band of emissions, one is being picked up just because it is more than 10 years, other is being picked up because it is more than 15 years, and this rule. Why? Aren't the most polluted cities even in there in Kolkata? We did the entire research. We made a big copy of our petition. We said very clearly and honestly that this law of NGT needs to be revoked only because the issue is that it is something which harms the equality, harms the fundamental rights of the citizens. Forget owning property, but it harms because basically because of discrimination which is there. This discrimination is what is irking the common man. Today, 2014 order, 2017, the cars were still being registered. 2019, the cars were still being registered for 15 years and 15 years apiece, even diesel, even petrol. When the order came, when the Honorable Supreme Court ordered in 2018, why were the cars being registered? Lakhs of rupees were being taken by this own government. And this particular money has gone to the drains for everyone because their cars will be deregistered after 10 years. The compensation which the government is offering is peanuts. It's a mere 5% of your registration amount of a new vehicle. There is no scrappage as such. So what does the person do? The man on the streets is affected. And nobody is hearing that. We are literally at our wits' end.
That is true. So,
as to why this particular NGT order cannot be revoked, which is the genesis of the entire malfunctioning of the entire system which we have right now. As Tejinder sir said, that, you know, there are more than 50,000 plus citizens who are there on his change.org. We made an entire research. We spent more than 6 months trying to find out. Even the cleanest city in the world, which is in Australia, doesn't have such kind of blasphemous rule. We need to do something about it.
All right. Okay. Do stay with us. I am going to go across to another caller, Captain Jaspal, who's calling us. Captain Jaspal, go ahead. Good evening, please.
Shreya, I will comprehensively cover all the points. Number one, that without your old car, you can never get back to a new car until unless you dispose of it in time or you get the good value. Second, what is the law? Law says show cause is to be given. You have to be told why you are doing this, fellow, and then you have to pass a regent order. Officers have to be firm and considerate. They are dishonest and they are serving their masters. And now lastly, let us come down to the people. Most of them may be, some of them may be absolutely honest and right, but there are fellows who think they will bribe someone and get away. These are the four aspects that are compounding us. And thank you for giving me a chance. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Captain, for calling us. Tejinder Bedi, you put out a petition on change.org. You said that senior citizens like you cannot be expected to change their cars every 10 and 15 years. It's simply not possible given that you're on a pension. Help me understand why you decided to, go to social media and go to change.org to put out this petition.
I thought that this is one platform through which, working through my networking, I'll be able to garner good support. And I'm quite satisfied, and through your channel, through your platform, I want to thank all the 56,000 plus people who are supporting my petition. Now, why did I start with the senior citizens as a segment? I'm 70 years old. Towards the fag end of my career, I had bought a car which had done 14 years of company with me and doing just about 70,000 kilometers. Now, with such a law coming, there was no option left with me except to, go for a distress sale. And I got less than 1/3 of the price return which I should have otherwise got if I was really going to change it. My point is, not only the senior citizens, for all the car owners, the basic rule, the basic policy condition should be that so long as the PUC conditions are met, the fitness standards are met, the aging of the vehicle should have no value. And especially for the senior citizens, they should not be expected to, consume all the money for replacing their old cars with the new cars, with the cost of which is so
Sure.
high.